Hi everyone, and welcome to Spy Trader, your go-to financial news podcast for everything S&P 500. I'm your host, Buck the Bull Brackets, bringing you the latest news and insights to keep you on top of the market. First off, let's talk about SoftBank's recent triumphs with Indian IPOs, despite a $204.3 billion loss in its Vision Fund. Their investments in India are soaring. Ola Electric's shares rose over 60%, Unicommerce eSolutions over 80%, and Brainbees Solutions up about 40%. In broader market sentiment, utility stocks in Asia are surging, driven by supportive policies and high electricity demand. The MSCI Asia Pacific Utilities Index is up nearly 14% year-to-date. In India, NTPC and Power Grid are up roughly 30%, while Malaysia's YTL Corp and Torrent Power have exceeded 50% gains. Switching to tech, Meta Platforms Meta had a standout Q2 with net income up 73% year-over-year and has introduced a dividend for the first time, appealing to income-focused investors. Nvidia remains strong with ARM Holdings leading their portfolio with a 73% increase. Uber just received a credit rating upgrade to investment grade from S&P Global Ratings, which lowers their borrowing costs and makes them a more attractive investment. Uber's projected EBITDA for 2024 and 2025 are around $5.9 billion and $7.6 billion, respectively. Key market indicators show the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite rebounding from recent dips. Retail sales exceeded expectations, easing recession fears, and Walmart's stable performance adds to the optimism. Big financial news is expected from the Federal Reserve, with speculation about a 0.25% rate cut next month. All eyes are on Fed Chair Jay Powell's upcoming speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Now for trading recommendations. 1. Invest in tech and healthcare giants. Meta and Nvidia show robust growth and operational efficiency, making them strong buys. 2. Utilities for stability. Look at U.S. utility stocks for stability and high dividends. Companies like Duke Energy and NextEra Energy could be worthwhile additions. 3. Consider SoftBank for emerging market exposure. SoftBank's success in Indian markets suggests potential in emerging markets. Consider ETFs or funds with significant exposure to Indian tech and consumer services. 4. Defensive moves in consumer stocks. Retail giants like Walmart and Costco can provide a buffer against economic uncertainties. 5. Bond investment in Uber. With their new investment-grade status, Uber's bonds could be an attractive option for fixed-income investors. Before we go, let's lighten the mood with a joke. What kind of photos do traders like? Stock photos. Ah, classic. That's it for today's episode of Spy Trader. Stay tuned for our next update. Until then, stay savvy and happy trading. This is Buck the Bull Brackets, signing off.